I'm Nell, solo parent and hardworking mom. Today's episode is my Don't Say I Didn't Warn You episode. It's about the courage, stamina, patience, perseverance, flexibility, commitment, and open mind required, and it be considered if you want to handle and be in a relationship with a single Filipina mom. Maybe you can't handle the reality of the relationship. Let's get started with my reasons. Number 1. She is a package deal. No exceptions. Loving her means loving her child too. If you're not ready to step up and treat her daughter like your own, don't even bother. Number 2. She's been through hell and came out stronger. She's not fragile. Life tested her already, and she passed. You can sweet talk your way through her walls unless you're real. Number 3. Zero time for games. Her schedule's tight, work, homework, and dinner all before 9 p.m. If you're flaky, you'll be gone faster than a missed diaper change. Number 4. Her daughter comes first always. You're not the center of her universe. Her child is. And trust us, that's not going to change. Number 5. She has high standards. She's not settling for less than what she and her daughter deserve. If you're lazy, immature, or insecure, next. Number 6. You can't fake maturity. You might think you're grown, but if you can't handle real conversations about the future, finances, or responsibility, she'll see right through you. Number 7. She is a lioness when it comes to her child. Say or do anything shady around her daughter and you'll awaken the full power of a protective Filipina mom. Good luck. Number 8. She's not easily impressed. Flowers, cute, Netflix dates, yawn. Show her consistency, effort, and stability. That's what gets her attention. Number 9. She already knows what love isn't. She's been hurt before. She's not desperate for attention. She's looking for respect, loyalty, and commitment. Number 10. You're not just dating her, you're earning her trust. Winning her heart means proving you're safe, stable, and worthy, not just of her, but of her daughter's future too. Truth bomb. Dating a single Filipina mom with a daughter isn't for the weak. But if you're man enough, it could be the most rewarding journey of your life. We are family. Good luck and good health. See you the next episode.